I-check na natin guys ang inyong mga sagot. Dito, pinapahanap sa atin ay kasing kahulugan ng salitang impediment. Ang tamang sagot dito ay hindrance. Impediment, hindrance, ang mas common na word, obstruction, obstacle. Ito guys, may error o walang error. I-check muna natin. Ang 1, either mark. Walang error. Ang 2, or Matthew. Walang error yan. 3, is going. Mamaya muna yan. Ang 4, to lead the choir in the recital tomorrow. Walang error yan. Ang 3, is going. May error, wala. Remember guys, na kapag either or, dapat ang verb mag-agree sa pinakamalapit na subject. So, Matthew ay singular. Therefore, ang 3 is tama. Walang error. Kaya ang tamang sagot dito ay 5. No error. Ito naman guys, ang tamang sagot dito ay every 2 years. Every 2 years. Ang biennially, nangyayari siya isang beses lang in 2 years. Ang relationship ng expound at explain ay kasing kahulugan. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay abundant. Copious, abundant, mas common na word, lavish. Three, 4 plus 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 over 4 plus 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17 over 5. So kunin natin ang 20 ang kanilang LCD. 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 20 divided by 4, 5 times 5, 25. Plus 20 divided by 5, 4 times 17, 17 times 4, that is 28. This is 68. 68. So, i-add natin 15 plus 25 plus 68. This is 18, 8, 9, 10. 108. So, ito muna. This is 108 over 20. So, ito ay 5. Kasi 20 times 5, 100. So, ang natitira ay 8. 8 over 20. So, pwede pa yan ma-lowest term. That is 5. This is pwede siya i-divide ng 4. So, this is 2. This is 5. So, 2 over 5. So, ang sagot, 5 and 2 fifth. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay 4. Ang pattern natin dito ay 28, dinagdagan ng 4, naging 32. Ang 32, minultiply ng 4, naging 128. Check natin. 32 times 4, 8, 12. Tama. So, 128 plus 4, naging 132. So, 132 times 4, 8, 12, this is 5. So, 528 ang hinahanap natin na tamang sagot. Bridget, tsaka si Veronica. Guys, isang letter lang ang isulat ninyo. Hindi yung buong pangalan nila kasi sa actual exam, time, pressure. Si Bridget ay 10 years older than Veronica. So, X plus 10. Ang edad ni Veronica, X. Edad ni Veronica plus edad ni Bridget, X plus 10 equals 32 daw. Current age ni Veronica plus current age ni Bridget equals 32. 2x plus 10 equals 32. 2x equals 32 minus 10, that is 22. So x equals 11. So 11 years old si Veronica. So si Bridget is 10 years older than Veronica. So 11 plus 10, that is 21 years old ang current age ni Bridget. Kunin muna natin yung side ng square. 64 divided by 4. Bakit? Kasi 4 side ang square na equals. Kaya 64 divided by 4 para makuha natin yung one side ng square. This is 1, 4, 2, 24, 24 divided by 6, 24 divided by 4, 6. 6 times 4, 24. 0. 16 ang one side. Ang formula ng area ng square ay S squared. So 16 times 16. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3, 9. This is 6, 1. 6, 15, 2. 256 square meters ang area ng square. Guys, unahin nyo muna ang 60% times 1/2. So, ang 60% ay parehas lang sa 3/5 times 1/2. This is 3/10. Tapos, i-times ninyang 20 times 20/1 equals, this is maka-divide 1, this is 2. So 3 times 2, 6/1 or 6. Kaya 5 ang tamang sagot. John, 12 years older than Mark. Si Mark, si John, 12 years older than Mark. So x plus 12. Ang edad ni Mark, x. 5 years ago, sum ng kanilang ages ay 28. So this is x minus 5 plus x plus 12 minus 5. Age ni Mark 5 years ago plus age ni Jan, 5 years ago. Ang sum daw ay 28. So this is x plus x, 2x plus 12 minus 10 equals 28. This is 2x plus 2 equals 28. This is 2x equals 26. X equals 13. So edad ni Mark 13 years old. Ang edad ni John is 13 plus 12. Kasi 12 years older daw siya kay Mark. So 13 plus 12, that is 25 years old. Current age ni John. So ang tamang sagot ay 5. John is 25 years old. Mark is 13 years old. Blank is to birds as blank is to insects. Kung titingnan natin guys ang mga choices, obviously, ang relationship na pinapahanap sa atin ay group. Okay? So ang tamang sagot dyan ay 2. Flock of birds and swarm of insects. Okay? Ang herd is, yan yung tawag sa mga grupo ng mga cows. Herd of cows. Ang fleet, yan yung tawag sa grupo ng mga sheep. Fleet of sheep. Ang pack, yan yung tawag sa grupo ng mga wolf. Pack of wolves. I admire people who are modest despite of their opulence. No error. Dito pinapahanap sa atin yung kung may error ba sa sentence. Pero kung walang error, 5 ang tamang sagot. So i-check muna natin ang 1. I admire people. Tama yan guys, walang error. Who are modest. Tama yan guys, walang error. Despite of, tingnan natin yung their opulence. Ang for their opulence, walang error. Now, dito tayo sa 3. Despite of. I admire people who are modest despite of their opulence. Error ba yan ang despite of? Yes. So, ang tamang sagot yan ay 3. Bakit? Kasi dapat despite lang. Okay? I admire people who are modest despite their opulence. In spite of, at saka yung despite. Again, in spite of, tsaka yung despite lang. Okay? Who has the authority to grant gifts from foreign institutions? 1. House of Representatives. 2. President. 3. Senators. 4. Congress. 5. Department of Foreign Affairs. The correct answer here is the Congress is the one who has the authority to grant gifts from foreign institution. It refers to any and all persons related to public official or employee within the fourth civil degree of consanguinity or affinity, including bilas, inso, and balae. 1. Family. 2. Public officials. 3. Relatives. 4. Family of public officials. 5. Person. The correct answer here is 3. Relatives. How many years is the term of the President of the Philippines? 1. 12. 2. 5. 3. 7. 4. 6. 5. 3. The correct answer is 4. 6 years. It is known as the supreme power of the state, having a freedom from foreign control. 1. National territory. 2. Invasion. 3. Government. 4. Sovereignty. 5. State. The correct answer here is sovereignty. 4. Add mo lahat. That is 410. I-divide mo ng number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 410 divided by 5. This is 41 divided by 5. 8. 8 times 5, 40. 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So, ang mean or average ay 82. I-arrange muna natin. 74, 78, 82, 84, 86, tsaka 88. Ang median ay middle. Median, middle. So, ang middle ay 82 at saka 84. 82 plus 84 divided by 2. So, 82 plus 84, 6, 166. So, 166 divided by 2, this is 8. 8 times 2, 16. 60 minus 16, 0. 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So, 83. So, ang median natin ay 83. 86. 1, 2. Dalawang beses lang na ulit. So, 84, 1, 2, 3. Kaya ang mode natin ay 84. Mode, most repeated number. Highest number, 96. 96 minus sa lowest number, 74. 2, 3. So, 32 ang range. Ang range, highest minus lowest number.